Today we will solve some numerical problems of electricity. Let us say a question. Potential difference of 250 volt. Potential difference is given. It is 250 volts is applied across a resistance of 500 ohm. Resistance R, that is 500 ohm. In an electric iron, you have to calculate current and heat energy produced in 10 seconds. Heat energy produced in 10 seconds. So time is given 10 seconds. So the question is, current is passed through an electric iron. It has the resistance of 500 ohm, potential difference of 250 volt, and current is passed for 10 seconds. You have to find out magnitude of current and heat energy produced. First, by using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V stands for the potential difference. It is given 250 volt. That is equal to I into R is 500. So I is equal to 250 by 500, that is 1 by 2, 0.5 ampere. This is the first answer. Current passed is 0.5 ampere. Now we have to calculate the heat energy produced. So heat energy H is equal to I square RT. I square RT. Here I is given 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 whole square into R. Resistance is given 500 ohm. It is 500 into time is 10 seconds. So it is 1 by 4 into 500 into 10. 250 to 125. It is 1250 joule. So heat energy produced is 1250 joules. This is the first question. Now next question, see the question. Here the question is, calculate the heat produced when 9600 coulombs of charge. Charge is given Q, 96000 coulomb, is transferred in 1 hour. Time is given 1 hour through a potential difference V. It is also given 50 volts. We have to calculate heat energy produced. Heat energy produced H. So what is the formula of heat produced? H is equal to I square RT. So here T is given, I and R is not present. So first we have to calculate this one. See, V is equal to work done by charge transferred, and another formula, I is equal to Q by T. We use this formula for getting the current fast. So Q is equal to 96000 by time is 1 hour means 3600 second. 20 cancelled out. 3132, 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6. Again 26, 216, 23 to 8. That is 8 by 3 ampere. This is the current. Now V is equal to IR. V is given 50. That and I is 8 by 3 into R. So R is equal to 50 into 3 by 8. This is R. So we get I and R. Now H is equal to I square RT. Putting the values of I, R and T, we get I is 8 by 3 whole square, R 50 into 3 by 8 into time, that is 1 hour, means 3600 second. Calculating and get the result of heat produced. And this is the second question. Now, question number 3. Here is given two conducting wires of the same material and of equal length and equal diameter are first connected in series and then in parallel. Question is given two conducting wires of same material and equal lengths are first connected in series and then in parallel. Having same potential difference, we have to calculate the ratio of heat produced. Calculate ratio of heat produced. So two conducting wires of same material and equal length. That means two resistors having the same resistance. Let us consider, let R1 is equal to R2, that is equal to X, and they are first connected in series. That means equivalent resistance Rs is equal to X plus X, 2X, and they have the same potential difference. Firstly, we have to calculate the heat produced in this case. H1 is equal to I1 square Rs into T. Now, I1 is equal to V by Rs square into Rs into T. That means V square Rs square into Rs into T. 1 Rs cancel. V square T by Rs. This is the heat produced when the resistors are connected in series. Now, resistors are connected in parallel. In that case, H2 is equal to, first you have to find out the equivalent resistance, that is 1 by Rp equal to 1 by X plus 1 by X, X LCM 1 plus 1, 2 by X, so Rp equal to X by 2. Again heat produced H2 equal to I2 square Rpt. I2 is again V by Rp square into Rp into T. So V square Rp square into Rp into T. 1 Rp cancelled out. It is V square T by Rp. These are heat produced when resistors are connected in parallel. Now we have to calculate the ratio of heat produced, that is H1 by H2. So it is V square T by Rs into Rp by V square T. V square T cancel. Rp, we already find it out. It is X by 2 by Rs. It is 2X. That means x by 2 into 2x, x is cancelled, 1 by 4. So H1 is to H2 is equal to 1 is to 4. This is the ratio of the heat produced. When a current of 4 ampere passes to a resistor for 10 minutes. So current I is equal to 4 ampere, passes to a resistor for 10 minutes, time is given 10 minutes converted into seconds, that is 10 into 60, 600 seconds. 2.88 into 10 to the power 4 joule of heat is produced. H is also given, that is 2.88 into 10 to the power 4 joule. We have to calculate the power and voltage. So H is equal to formula I square RT. H is equal to I square RT. See, heat is given, it is 2.88 into 10 to the power 4. I is 4 into 4. Resistance is unknown and time is given, that is 600 seconds. So from here we have to calculate R first. So R is equal to 2.88 into 10000 divided by 4 into 4 into 600. That is R equal to 28812. 20 cancelled out by 4 into 4 into 600. 20 cancelled out. So R is equal to 288 by 4 into 4 into 6. This much more. This is the resistance. So now we get the resistance and current. From here we find the V. So now V is equal to IR. I is given, that is 4 ampere. R is also there, 288 by 4 into 4 into 6. Now by calculating this one, we can find out the potential difference across the resistor. Okay. Now the next one is power. Power is equal to V into I. We already find out the V. It is 288 by 4 into 6. I is current. It is given 4 ampere. Put 4 over here. 4 cancelled out. So 288 by 6 watt. So in this way we can find out the potential difference and power. Now the next question. Question number 5. 100 joule of heat is produced. H is given, that is 100 joule per second, means time is equal to 1 second in a 4 ohm resistor R 4 ohm. We have to calculate the potential difference. Again we use the formula H is equal to I square RT, and I can be written as V by R whole square into RT. So it is V square by R square into R into T. 1 R is cancelled out. So V square T by R, that is H. Now from this relation H is given, that is 100. V is unknown. Time is given 1 by resistance is 4. So V square is equal to 400. V equal to root under 400. That is 20 volts. So this is the potential difference across the resistor.